Hello, and thanks for tuning in. Today, I'm going to talk to you about Zebra's new OneCare Support Services Dashboard. In this session, we're going to do a high-level overview. We're going to talk about what's new. We're going to talk about the 4 new reports that are going to be available, including the new Lifeguard Analytics report. We'll talk a little bit about onboarding, so how do you get access to it? And last but not least, I'll show you where you can get some additional supporting documentation. So what is this? What is the Zebra OneCare Support Dashboard? So this is a dashboard that's going to be available to all customers who have a Zebra OneCare contract, whether that's a special value contract, an essential contract, or a select contract. It will also be available to our partners who have customers that have any of those contracts. It's a configurable web-based tool that will enable a series of reports around repair, tech support cases, service contracts, and lifeguard analytics. This dashboard is going to be available in North America, EMEA, and Asia Pac. Latin America, we believe, is coming sometime in 2019. So why a new support dashboard? Well, you ask us for a dashboard where you could get more metrics on repair and make that data super easy to consume. You ask us for reports that show more graphs, trending by monthly, quarterly, annually. You ask us for more relevant and usable information around repairs, cases, and contracts. And last but not least, we wanted a place to show you information about security updates on your Android mobile devices. We wanted to provide you with a new look and feel. We wanted to provide you with a dynamic dashboard that's personalized and customizable. We wanted to provide an automated, interactive tool that will ultimately replace all of that manual reporting that you get from us today. And last but not least, we needed that place so that we could provide you with information around lifeguard analytics to help you keep your Android devices operating with the latest security updates. So here's what's new. Coming November 19th, the new Zebra OneCare Support Services Dashboard. We have 4 reports coming. First of all, the Lifeguard Analytics. It's going to show you what security patches are available for your Android devices. A new Repair Lifecycle report that'll really show you all kinds of information about your repair tickets. A case lifecycle report, again, will show you lots of information around your technical support tickets. And lastly, a new service contracts report that will show you information around the service contracts, start dates, end dates, including serial number entitlement. There's also going to be quite a few new enhancements. So first of all, the dashboard is brand new, enhanced and simplified. We have some new date picker features where you can actually select date and date ranges by report. A new site assignment feature. We'll talk about that in a few minutes. We have site level reporting. So now you'll be able to see information by site and be able to isolate issues down to a specific location. And last but not least, a new contract auto add feature. So that's for those of you guys who have existing contracts. You buy some more devices, they end up on a different contract. That support contract will automatically be onboarded. We have a new user landing page for legacy customers and multi-service customers. So think of this landing page. Once I log in, maybe I'm an OVS customer today, but I want to take advantage of the new support reports that are coming out. I will see this page and be able to click on the new essential and select link, and that will take me to the new support reports. We also have a new navigation experience for our partner community. So, those of you that are partners, you manage many customers and you want to be able to access all of your customers in one location. You'll actually be able to do that through the new My Companies page. Okay, what's not changing? Great news. The URL avp.zebra.com is the same URL that you've been using up to now. That's not changing. Login ID. If you already have access to one of our visibility dashboards today, your login ID will remain exactly the same. All existing customers are going to be automatically migrated over. That includes partners as well. So let's take a look at some of the new reports that are coming out in more detail. Lifeguard Analytics. So we all know that with Android devices, it's going to be very important to make sure that those devices are updated from a security patch perspective. The new Lifeguard Analytics report is designed to show you how many of your Android devices in your operation are due for a security patch update and what update is actually recommended. The Lifeguard Analytics report actually has the capability of visual alerting, much like what you're used to today if you use our visibility dashboard. Here, you can set a tolerance for how many of your devices by percentage are due for an Android update. For example, shown on the screen here, if less than 10% of your devices are due an update, that little report's going to show up green. If between 10 and 20% of your devices are due for an update, the tile will change to an amber color, and if more than 30% of your devices are due for a recommended update, the tile is going to turn red, thus alerting you that you need to get some of those devices updated. The new service contracts report is designed to show you when your contracts expire. Well, it's actually designed to show you all of your service contracts, regardless of whether they're going to expire or not. But most importantly, you're going to see those contracts that are due to expire in that sort of 90 to 180 day range. And then especially you want to know about those contracts that are due to expire within that 90-day period. The new repair lifecycle report, this is where you're going to get lots of information about your repair tickets. You're going to be able to see information on all of those repair tickets that are currently open. How about those devices that are expected, which means that we've opened a repair ticket and we're expecting those devices to arrive at the depot. We're going to be able to see how many devices are currently in repair, how many have been repaired within whatever that date range is that you're looking on, how many devices we've shipped out, and if Zebra is managing spare devices on your behalf, you're going to be able to see that inventory as well. The last new report that we have is called Case Lifecycle, and very similar to our RMA report, this one's going to show you all of your tech support cases and how those are aging in terms of days. Okay, so let's move on to some administrative features and onboarding because that's how you're going to get access to the new dashboard. So we have a couple of new administrative features. Number one is called site assignment. So we can associate data with different sites or locations. This happens to be a partner or administrative feature where they can differentiate by user what data they want to see by site or by location. Lastly, we have a new report settings feature. So we talked about this a little bit with the Lifeguard Analytics report. This is where you can set visual alerting thresholds against your different report types, whether it's case lifecycle, service contracts, or repair lifecycle. Okay, for the best part, how do you get access to this tool? We've simplified that process. We have a new web-based onboarding form that's super simple to fill out. For existing partners and existing customers, so that means you already have access to our visibility dashboards today, you're going to automatically be transitioned over to the new support dashboard. And any new service contracts associated with those existing ones, we have a new contract auto add feature. So you buy new hardware, you sign up for a new Zebra OneCare service contract, automatically gets added, no action on your part. We also have a new simplified process if you need to add a user. So maybe you've got someone that's just joined your company and they want access to it. You can find that at zebra.com on the support dashboard page. And then we have a new simplified process for partners who already have access to the dashboard and they need to add a new customer. That information can be found on the partner gateway. How about if you're a new partner or a new end user customer and you've never had access to any type of our visibility dashboards? So partners can find the web form on Partner Gateway so that you can add a new customer. And customers who have a direct financial relationship with Zebra can access that form at zebra.com on the support dashboard page. Where can you find additional information? Again, for internal Zebra folks, you can find it on the source. For our partners, you can find that information on Partner Gateway. And for our end user customers, you can find that information on zebra.com on that support dashboard page. There's lots of information for you. Presentation slides that you're currently seeing, this recorded presentation, a user or quick start guide on how to use the new dashboard, a really informative FAQ documents, even some how-to video clips. So if there's something that you don't quite understand how to do on the dashboard, we probably have a video that tells you how to do it. That's it for now. Thank you for joining. I hope you're excited about getting access to the new Zebra OneCare support dashboard. Thank you very much.